Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase. Alright, so if you've been wondering how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase, then this video is going to help you out. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. Just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Coinbase account. Now you can log in on the mobile app, or you can choose to do so on the website. Now once you're logged into your account, just go to the buy sell tab, and then once you're there, you're going to select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency to sell. And now you're going to enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to sell, the amount of Bitcoin that you want to sell, and then you're going to choose the payment method that you want to use to receive that. And then you're going to review the transaction details to make sure that the number of Bitcoins is correct. And then just confirm the sale and wait for the transaction to be processed and for the funds to be credited to your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to sell Bitcoins on Coinbase. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next